Hey guys, welcome to Asp Net Mvc 5 tutorial part 1. I'm Riphan Datta. Now I'm gonna show you how to create your first application in Asp Net Mvc 5. So let's get started with Visual Studio. In this tutorial I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. So click New Project. In this tutorial I'm using Visual C#. So select Visual C#, then you can see ASP.NET Web Application, or you can select Web, then there is also ASP.NET Web Application. Give application name, let's say my first MVC 5 web application, then click OK. Now you have the template. You can select MVC, as we are going to create MVC 5 application, so we have to select MVC, then click OK. Then Visual Studio will create the necessary files for you. Now we have created our project. You can see this is our solution and this is our project. In a solution we may have multiple projects. In this case we have only one project, which is my first MVC 5 web application. Then you can see some folders. Let's say references are over there, and these are properties. App data, here you may have database file. App start, there are some file. I will go through about this file in the next tutorial. Then content, there are your CSS files, and here is a controller. You can see model, view and controller. So other folders are fonts and scripts. Alright, so in the controller you can see we have a home controller and account controller. Then if we need any other controller, we can create. Right click on the controller, then add to controller. We will go through about the controller in the next tutorial, and views and models as well. So now you can view your first application. So click Google Chrome, start, or you can start debugging or press F5, or simply click here. Click. Alright, so this is your first application, and this is the default views. There is a home, this is basically index, about action and contract action, or you can log in. First I want to show you, this is your index view or action, this is about action, and this is contract action. So you may be confused about how these tags are come here. Actually this is in your view page. So let's go to the view. As we are using home controller, so this is the convention of naming convention. So controller name should be name with controller. So this is our home controller, and we need to inherit from controller. So go to the view, simply right click and go to view. Now you can see this is your index. So there are lots of text. For your better understanding, I like to delete this and simply I want to write S1 home page. So run again. Now you can see in the home page we have only home page. So this is about. Now I like to show you one thing. This is our controller and this is our action. So this is our index. That means our default controller is home and our action is index. So that means this one. And this is our contact. So home, which is controller, and contact, which is action. You can see this is our home controller home and this is contact or about or index. And views are, you can see in the home folder there are about, contact and index, 3 views. So this is your first MVC5 web application. In the next series of tutorials I will go into depth, so you will be learn how to create controller, view and models, and I will show you some sample application. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you have any comment, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.